Hi everyone, Adam at Leighton Vans. Now, as you can see, we have just pulled up at Awesome GTI over in Manchester. We've got one of our Rangers with this 150 brake horse DSG T6.1 on the trailer that we're going to leave here for about a week, maybe a little bit longer. Now, I'm not going to say why just yet, but if you know about your vehicles, you know about your VW Audi Group stuff, you know what these guys do at Awesome. So there might be a little bit of a hint there as to why this is being left. But we're going to get this off the trailer. We're going to have a bit of a tour around. They've recently had a refurbishment of the entire building, including Performance M in parts as well. And I believe that Awesome used to be in that building. They've moved across to this one. But from what I've seen on the social media, this place looks absolutely epic. So I'm really excited to have a look round, chat to Steve and John, the guys at Awesome, and see what might be happening to this and also what might be happening to the Ranger. But I'm not going to say anything else. You're going to have to wait for that to drop. Right, so that's the van off of the trailer. It's now time to go and give the keys to the guys at Awesome and have a look around this setup. Let's go. So we're in the Awesome showroom. Now, straight away, Beetle RSI, super cool. And how about that for an intro and a welcome? We've got one of our videos on the big screen with a little message at the bottom welcoming us to Awesome GTI. And I mean, I'm blown away just by the scale of this place already, and we haven't had a proper look round the workshop, the dyno cell, the dyno room as well for customers, which is insane. So super excited to get chatting to these guys and really looking forward to having a look round and looking at some new product. Steve has very kindly just given me a tour around Awesome, and I don't really have anything to say, but wow, I mean, this is some setup, and it's really cool to see a company take the same sort of pride in the workshop as we do. You know, all the nice cabinets that tie into everything, clean floor. It's just amazing, an awesome setup, and yeah, some really cool things happening, including that. So that's my Ranger, which I knew they wanted to have a look at a couple of bits on it, but I didn't realise they were doing it straight away. I'm not going to say why or what we're having done to the Ranger, other than it's going to be seriously cool, and it's going to be a product that we're going to be dropping for all models very soon. So that includes Ranger, Amarok, Transporter, and hopefully the new Transit and new Transporter in the future. So keep your eyes peeled, there's going to be a drop very soon. So we're up on the mez, saw my Ranger come into the workshop, we've ran downstairs, I've been chucked a coffee, and we've got two people under the bonnet filling about with bits. Now, I'm not going to say why just yet, but it is for the same reason that we're leaving a 150 DSG transporter with Awesome, for them to do something very, very similar to what is happening to my Ranger. Not going to say much other than I'm super excited for the drive home. Really, really excited. And keep your eyes peeled for what's coming next. Right, so we've had a tour of the workshop and the showroom, and also a tour of Performance M, which is really cool. We've had the Ranger in the workshop. We've got some goodies installed on that for me to try on the way home. We've got an empty trailer behind us because we are leaving a 150 DSG with the guys at Awesome for some development work. Again, keep your eyes peeled. There's going to be something very big dropping very, very soon. So keep your eyes peeled on all our socials. Hope you've enjoyed the video. It's been nice to get out somewhere different, and especially at such a cool setup. I mean, for you guys, if you've got a VW Audi product, I'd highly recommend having a look on the Awesome website at some of the stuff they do, because it is mega. But yeah, keep tuned for what's coming for the Ranger, the Transporter, the Transit, and the Amarok. It's coming very, very soon.